Alright, I'm going to show you how to make the best French bread pizza. It's full of flavor, it's delicious, it's crispy, so let's get into it. So chop 2 mini peppers, small onion, and some garlic. Get your French bread and cut that in half. Brush some olive oil on the bottom of the pan to help the bread crisp up, and also drizzle some on top. So part of this amazing flavor is going to come from the sauce, so we're going to spruce it up by adding some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, and then a pinch of Rome-style Italian seasoning. What this is a blend of basil, black pepper, some celery seed, chili pepper, fennel, oregano, and red pepper. Anything that you have close to that in your cupboard, just make sure you add it into the sauce and mix it up. So I added a little bit of jalapeno to the peppers and the onion. I'm going to layer that on top and then use some organic mozzarella cheese. I also had a mix of Fiesta cheese, so I used some of that too, because we definitely want it cheesy, we definitely want it to be good. That is some dehydrated parsley. I love this stuff because it rehydrates as you use it. The same with the basil. Make sure you add that on top. I don't eat pork, so I use turkey pepperoni. This brand is really good. Added a ton of those, and then I topped it with a little more of the peppers just to make sure we had layers of flavor and texture. Y'all, this is some picture-worthy pizza. It's delicious. There's a lot of texture. The pepperonis get nice and hot. They kind of bubble and release their flavor. The cheese is melted. The bread is crispy and tastes delicious. It's just enough spices, just enough salt from the cheese. It's really delicious. Wait till you hear that crunch. Let me know in the comments below what you love to add to your homemade pizza, and stick around for the end screen to see some more Superior Health Savage videos.